When seeing an equation that has a rather vague looking variable over here, usually the best thing to do is to actually substitute another variable in its place to make it much more simple. For instance, instead of using this fourth root of x to try to solve this equation, which would be rather difficult, let's substitute the fourth root of x with another variable, y. So let's plug y into here. We get y is equal to 12 over 7 minus y. And all of a sudden, it's much more simple of a question. So let's multiply 7 minus y on both sides. We have 7 minus y times y equals 12. And now it's just a simple quadratic equation that we have to solve. We have 7y minus y squared equals 12. Bring everything on one side. We have y squared minus 7y plus 12. And then we can factor that into y minus 4. Oh, and this is equal to 0. We can factor this into y minus 4 times y minus 3 equals 0. And finally get the answers of y equals 4 and 3. But make sure once you have these new values for the new variable, you plug these values into the old variable to find your the value you actually want. In this case, x. We want to find the sum of the solutions for x, not y. So after we do that, we get, let's see, the fourth root of x equals 4. So that means x equals 4 to the 4, or 256. And when we do the same thing for 3, when we plug it into 3, we get x equals 3 to the power 4, which is equal to 81. And so these are the two values of x for this equation. The sum of these solutions, after adding them together, is 337. And we're done.